With news swirling about Florida real estate taking a hit, you might be wondering how this is affecting home sales, especially in the coastal areas like Anastasia Island in St. Augustine. Well, I've got some fresh data that's going to shed some light on what's really happening here. And trust me, it's not all doom and gloom. Hey there, it's Kim Devlin with your Key to St. Augustine. If you've been keeping an eye on the Florida housing market, you probably have a ton of questions and concerns. Should you sell now? Is it still a good time to buy? Why are homes sitting on the market for so long? Well, in today's video, I'm going to break down our third quarter trends and data for single family houses on our very own Anastasia Island, which is a barrier island. By the end of this video, you'll know what to look out for whether you're buying or selling on the island and how to navigate this unpredictable market. And stick around to the end. I've got a free seller prep guide and relocation guide to help you through your next move. So let's jump right in. Today I'm going to share some market info on Anastasia Island, which is the barrier island in St. Augustine. If you are searching for homes here, it's zip code 32080. So let's start with the big picture. The current market for single family homes on the island is all over the place. Active listings range from 345,000 all the way to 8.3 million. That's a huge span, showing that the market caters to every type of buyer, from budget conscious to luxury, with the average listing price hovering around 850,000. When looking at the median sale price in the third quarter, it's up 19% to 810,000 compared to 2023. However, the average days on market is sitting at 151 days. Now that's a long time, and this isn't just for the higher end properties. We're seeing a lot of variability here, with some homes flying off the market in less than a week, while others sit for months. So what's causing this? Why are homes sitting on the market so long? The truth is, Anastasia Island's market has a mix of dynamics that can slow things down. Some key reasons for the extended days on market include overpricing, market saturation, currently with 6.8 months of inventory, which is a 13% increase from a year ago. But in some cases, it's seasonality. The third quarter is where we start to see a decline in activity and sales. For example, we're seeing a lot of expired and canceled listings. These are homes that either didn't sell in the spring or were pulled off the market by the sellers. This usually happens when a home is overpriced or there isn't enough buyer interest to justify keeping it listed. In many cases, the market is showing us that sellers need to be flexible. If your home has been on the market for a while, it's time to ask, is it priced right? Are you marketing it in the way that highlights the best features? Does it need too many repairs, or is it just bad timing? For sellers in this area, it's important to be realistic. Older homes may require more effort to sell, so be prepared for that. But don't get discouraged. Focusing on modern amenities, staging, and proper pricing can make all of the difference. So what are buyers looking for? It's clear from the stats that homes with 3+ bedrooms and 2+ bathrooms are in high demand. These homes are perfect for growing families or anyone looking for more space. If you're selling a home like this, you're in luck, because it's much easier to sell compared to homes with fewer bedrooms and bathrooms. In terms of size, homes ranging from 1,500 to 2,500 square feet are turning over the fastest. But if your home is larger, let's say 3,000 square feet, it may sit on the market a little longer, unless it's appealing to the luxury segment. Now, one of the most telling metrics is price per square foot. It varies significantly, ranging from $200 to over $1,200 per square foot. This wide range depends heavily on location, amenities, and the condition of the home. If you're in a prime area and your home is well maintained or recently updated, you can definitely command a higher price per square foot. So this brings us to the topic of pricing strategies. One of the biggest concerns for both buyers and sellers is whether homes are priced appropriately. In many cases, homes that didn't sell or were canceled showed major price reductions. These homes often start high but eventually lower their prices to meet market demand, and likely sell for a lot less than they would have sold for if they priced it correctly from the beginning. Now, here's something that's important. Negotiation is happening in almost every deal right now. On average, homes are selling for less than their original asking price at about 93.6%. So if you're a seller, don't be afraid to adjust your price if you're not seeing much interest. Flexibility will be your best friend in this market. Another key insight, homes that are relisted after being pulled from the market tend to sit even longer. There's a bit of a stigma attached to homes that have been on the market too long or taken off and relisted. Buyers start to wonder why they didn't sell the first time around. If you find yourself in this position, it's important to take a fresh approach. Change up your marketing, update your home's presentation, and most importantly, rethink your pricing. All right, so what's the bottom line? If you're a buyer, the Anastasia Island market actually presents some great opportunities. With longer days on market, you have the leverage to negotiate. Pay attention to homes that have been sitting for a while. These sellers might be willing to make a deal. And for sellers, the key is to be proactive. Don't sit back and wait for the market to come to you. Adjust your pricing, make updates to your home, and ensure it's marketed properly. If you're planning to sell, don't do it alone. I've put together a seller prep guide that walks you through everything you need to know to get your home market ready. And for my buyers out there, especially those looking to relocate to Florida, be sure to grab my relocation guide. It's packed with insights on navigating the Florida market, moving tips, and what to look out for when buying a home in the Sunshine State. So you can download both of those guides through the links in the description below. So whether you're buying or selling in this market, it's all about being informed and flexible. The Florida housing market may be unpredictable, but with the right strategies, you can come out ahead. If you have any questions or need more personalized advice, feel free to reach out. I'm always here to help you navigate the real estate landscape. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.